Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 6 Bollywood movies in 2022 on Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, Hotstar. Number 6, Jalsa. Maya Menon, a celebrity journalist known to bring truth in front of everyone, lives with her mother and son Ayush. Rukhsana Muhammad works as a cook in house of Maya and takes care of Ayush, who's bound to wheelchair, and both share a very good bond. Once Maya asks Rukhsana to stay overnight as she will be late from work. While returning home, Maya drives the car herself. A young girl out of nowhere dashes into her car and Maya flees the spot out of fear. Next day, Maya finds that the girl is Alia, whose daughter of Rukhsana. Maya sees Alia laying in a very bad state in a hospital and shifts her to bigger hospital and decides to bear her expenses. After the incident, Maya is shattered and feels guilty of herself as Rukhsana always cares for Ayush while Rukhsana is in no mood to spare the car driver. Twist in the tale happens when cops come from nowhere asking Rukhsana and her family for settlement, stating it's a high profile case, while Ruhini, an intern working under Maya, gathers footage of the accident site. Number 5, Gangubai Kathiawadi. A little girl is sold to brothel of Rashmi Bai, who is forcefully asked to enter the business of flesh trade. When the girl doesn't agree, Rashmi Bai is finally forced to take help of Gangubai Kathiawadi. Gangubai Kathiawadi, aka Ganga, who wanted to be an actress and years back eloped to Bombay with her boyfriend Ramnik, who sold her at brothel of Sheila Mosi. Gangubai did not have option to return back and hence turned a prostitute, but she gained respect from fellow women as she would be their main sport to go against Sheila Mosi. In coming times, Gangubai bonds with Don Rahim Lala and develops a brotherly relationship with him. Gangubai is soon known as the Mafia Queen and wants better lives for women of her community. She decides to enter politics but has a powerful contender, Razia Bai, opposite her. Number 4, Badai Do. Instead of coming out to their families, a gay man and a lesbian enter into a marriage of convince to appease their parents. However, chaos soon ensues when the woman's girlfriend comes to live with the unlikely couple. Number 3, Love Hostel. Set against the pulsating backdrop of rustic North India, Love Hostel traces the volatile journey of a spirited young couple being hunted by a ruthless mercenary. Number 2, The Kashmir Files. The story revolves around Krishna Pandit Darshan Kumar, a JNU student who thinks his parents were killed in an accident as told by his father Pushkar Nath Anupam Kher, but the truth is more depressing. He is caught in the middle of two opposing narratives of the Kashmiri Pandit exodus of 1990. One side is represented by the pro-Azadi JNU professor Pallavi Joshi, who is gaining a lot of support on the campus of our Kashmir cause. On the other side is Nath, who has been struggling for 30 years to get justice for the exodus, which the professor claims is a sham. After Pushkar Nath's death, Krishna goes back to Kashmir to fulfill his last wishes and also meets four of Nath's friends, a journalist, a doctor, a former police officer, and a retired civil servant. They were shocked to know that Krishna didn't know the true story of his father's death. The Kashmir Files then becomes a journey of discovering the truth for Krishna. In one among many traumatic scenes, Krishna's father, hiding in a container of rice, is killed by a local militant. His mother is forced to eat the blood-soaked rice from the same container. Number 1, A Thursday. Nana, a play school teacher, takes 16 students hostage, rattling the police and the leaders. Her demands send shock waves through the country.